Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today I'm going to answer a viewer's question. So this viewer's question, and by the way, thank you for saying such nice things about my channel. And Jerry says thank you as well. Actually, he wants to be in this video because it's actually a question about intentions and third parties and relationships. So the question is I have a general question regarding saying intentions. How many times or how long should we say these intentions per day? Or the whole day long, after waking up, before bed? Other people have also asked this question on the channel. So he had the question and he saw other people asking it. So he thought he would email in. So thank you so much. And, okay. So, basically how this works, okay, is we create our end result. We get clear on what we want, okay? So we'll say that I want Jerry to be in a relationship with me, okay? And what I want is to see him every single day, and I want him to be with me and only me in a relationship with me, okay? So what I would do is I would create a couple intentions. So my first intention would be I am good enough. Okay. Let's say I feel like I'm maybe not good enough because they dumped me. So I would say I'm good enough. I would also create that I see Jerry every day and that me and Jerry are in a committed relationship. Okay. So those are going to be my three intentions. Okay. So being in the committed relationship deals with a third party because they can't be with a third party if they're with you. I am good enough, because I always just say it's a good idea to say, and you can change that one if you feel like you are good enough already. And then I see Jerry every day. Me and Jerry spend every day together. That covers sort of like, the action that you want, right? So how often would you say these intentions? Okay, so here's really where I'm going to answer the question. So we're going to say them anytime A, we think about Jerry, or B, we have a negative thought. Okay, so it's a mental diet, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I wake up in the morning and my first thought is, oh, I gotta go to work. Okay, so I get out of bed and all of a sudden I look in the mirror and I think, oh, Jerry's not with me. I wonder what he's doing right now. No. I intend for me and Jerry to be in a committed relationship. I intend to see Jerry every day, and I am good enough, okay? And that's cool, right? And then all of a sudden, so I always say my intentions 3 times anytime I either think of the person or I have a negative thought about the person, okay? So we also we say go about our day, and now we're in the kitchen and we're grabbing our breakfast, and all of a sudden, we hear something on the radio and we think, oh, why doesn't Jerry want to be with me? No, Jerry does want to be with me. He absolutely loves me. Me and Jerry, I intend for us to be in a committed relationship because I'm good enough and I'm going to see him every day. In fact, he is going to text me today, right? And then I get in my car, okay, and I'm driving to work, and all of a sudden, I hear this love song on the radio and I'm like, oh my goodness, you know what? I just wish Jerry would be with me. What's wrong with me? What am I doing wrong? No, I'm doing this right. I know my thoughts create. I intend for Jerry to be with me. I am good enough. I intend to spend every day with Jerry and for him to call me all the time. Okay, so basically that's when you want to do your intentions, is whenever you think of the person or you have a limiting belief, a thought contrary to you and Jerry being in a committed relationship. All of a sudden, you're going about your day and you think about the third party and you're like, no, Jerry wants to be with me and only me. Me and Jerry are going to be in a committed relationship. That relationship is already ended. Jerry's ready to be with me. He's going to call me today. He calls me every day. I am good enough, right? Okay, so basically every time you think about the situation, you want to make sure that you're holding thoughts of what you want that are from the end, okay? So just to recap, what you want to do is you want to create your intentions thinking from the end. From the end of being with Jerry, okay? So if I was in a committed relationship with Jerry, what would my thoughts be? Create your intentions from there, be clear on what they are. And then what we want to do is we want to basically say those intentions every time we either think about Jerry or the third party or any part of the situation, and any doubts that we have about Jerry, we want to quickly change them into the exact opposite positive intention, right? You know, say the thing is, oh, why doesn't Jerry want me? No, I intend for Jerry to want me. I am good enough, right? Why hasn't Jerry called yet? He will call. Why isn't this working? This does work. I know my thoughts create, okay? So you want to make sure that the last thought you have on the subject is a thought that you want, because your thoughts really do create. So your main mantra is going to be, when you have a thought, do I really want to create that? Okay, so yeah, I know that's going to help, and I intend for this video to help everybody be able to attract something wonderful in their life. So yes, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below. I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And thank you guys for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You're all so wonderful. Me and Jerry, thank you. Bye. Have a great day.